Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Vodafone. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser, and in the top section, you need to type down Vodafone login and enter it. Click on the first option that says Vodafone Australia, and we could see on the top right corner there's your profile icon over here. Click over that, and we could see the login now option over here. Click over here and you'll be redirected to the another page. And in order to log into your Vodafone, you need to type down your Vodafone mobile number. And after that, you can click on the link of two option that says SMS link or email me link. So you can click over here, whichever you prefer. And after that, it will send you a link in your SMS or your email. And all you have to do is simply tap that link in order to log into your Vodafone. But if you need help logging into your Vodafone account, click over here that says need help logging in, and the Vodafone assistants will reach out to you. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.